Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, November 27th, our word of the day is jaunty. 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 Jaunty is a 6-letter word and an adjective. Remember, adjectives are words that describe the qualities or states of being of nouns: enormous, dog-like, silly, yellow, fun, fast. They can also describe the quantity of nouns: many, few, millions, 11. Jaunty means showing that you are happy and confident. In other words, having or expressing a lively, cheerful, and self-confident manner. Jaunty combines ideas such as cheerful, spiffy, upbeat, and natty into one delightfully economical adjective that means all of those things at once. Similar words include airy, animated, brash, breezy, buoyant, bold, carefree, dapper, jolly, jovial, rollicking, sprightly. Examples of sentences using jaunty are: on the way to his execution, the prisoner strolled in a jaunty fashion and showed no sign of remorse. There was no mistaking that jaunty walk. The authors tried for a jaunty tone but had no sure answer. The man patted his fat wallet and left the bank in a jaunty manner. The jaunty in turn made a quick and careful examination. I saw a man, not young, not old, but with a jaunty springy step. Make sure to save this new word, jaunty, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.